Hello, Abdul.
Yes,
Is this
sir.
Abdul?
What, sir?
Abdul Wahid?
Ah,
Abdul
what?
Wahid or Abdul Wahid or Abdul Wahid?
Yes, sir.
Abdul Wahid or you are Abdul Wahid?
Abdul Wahid.
Abdul Wahid.
ABDULWAHID.
Okay, Abdul Wahid. Where are you from, Abdul Wahid?
I am from Indonesia, sir.
Okay, Indonesia. Okay, okay. And the second one? Also the same, sir. Indonesia. Yes. Oh, Indonesia. Okay, you both are from Indonesia. Yes, sir. Good. Okay, so I am Zuhair Ahmad. I mean, your new teacher. I just joined the department before 5 days. Okay, I was asked this language teaching class. Okay, I will be teaching you linguistics and language teaching. Okay, from today onward, inshallah. Since there was a webinar going on in the department, I was also busy in that, so I could not take the classes, and it has been 5 days. Please let me know. I mean, how many topics have been covered till now? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
I heard you.
Abdul, am I audible to you?
Yeah, audible.
Okay, so I'm asking that how many topics have been covered till now? Since I am your new teacher, okay, I have been assigned this class to you. I just joined the department before 1 week, so I don't know where are you people right now. So can anyone of you tell me the syllabi about? I have the syllabus, but I don't know from where should I start. Saad, who is this Saad? Yes, sir. Hear me, Saad. कहाँ से हैं आप? Where are you from? I am from Guru. From India से हैं? Are you from India? Saad, can you hear me? Hello, Saad. Hilal, how are you, Hilal? Yes. Hilal, can you hear me? Yes, Hilal. Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam. Can you hear me, Hilal? Hello. कहाँ से आप हैं? आप तो यहीं से हैं. I'm sure कि you are from India. Yes. जी, तो हिलाल साहब बताएं कि सिलेबस कितना हो चुका है, कवर हो चुका है. मैं आपका नया टीचर हूँ. आई जस्ट जॉइन द डिपार्टमेंट बिफोर 7 days and I will be teaching you linguistics and language teaching from today onwards. Okay. तो आप बताएं कि सिलेबस वगैरह कितना मतलब कितना बाकी है या कितना हो चुका है, कवर हो चुका है. कुछ आप मुझे बताएं. सर यार मैंने क्लासेस ये वाली नहीं की ज्यादा. अच्छा, आपकी आवाज हिलाल थोड़ी कम आ रही है. आप या माइक आप एक्चुअली अच्छा आपको मैं बताया. ओके, सो व्हाट pardon, you are in library, so there is a yes. Okay, sure. Okay, sure, no problem. So I think I should take up from the very first topic, isn't it? Should I start from the very first one? So, okay, let me take the very first topic, that is about linguistics and language teaching. Okay, linguistics and language teaching. So, I am sure that you people might have very well know about what linguistics is about by this time, because you people are at the end of the stage. I mean, this is your stage of BA final. Yeah. So you might have know very well about linguistics. Linguistics, as we all define, is a scientific study of human and is and how it function in the society. Okay, so and there are various aspects of linguistics, but okay, I mean, as from definition point of view, you can say that is a scientific study of language, okay, and how and their function. Okay, so and the yours syllabus paper is about linguistics and language teaching. That mean there is a two, I mean, domain which we have to take into accounts the role of each others toward each other. Okay, so as I have said, linguistics contribute. Obviously, it contributes to many domain, because until one is not skilled in linguistics and how and in the analysis of language, how can it apply its academic knowledge to the other field of linguistics? So linguistics is an independent subject. Okay, in some, I mean, like, while the nature of language teaching is the nature of language teaching is dependent, is quite dependent. It takes input from linguistics. Various, I mean, it takes various theories and various methods. Okay, from linguistics in order to make the student learn a language effectively. Okay, so uh, general principles in which languages are constructed. Okay, it's a linguistics, and linguistics is divided into I mean, various sub branches, namely theoretical linguistics and applied linguistics. Okay, descriptive linguistics, historical linguistics. So these are various division of linguistics. Yeah. So I mean, each sub branches are devoted to a particular kind of study. On the basis of their nature of the study, these sub branches have been termed. So in theoretical linguistics, we talk about the theorization of knowledge, linguistics knowledge. So when we talk about phonetics, phonology, morphology, and this all, so here what do we do? A job of a linguist is to theorize the knowledge of the linguistics, be it be it a realm of sound, which I mean takes phonetics and phonology into accounts, and be it a realm of meanings, semantics, and pragmatics, and be it I mean case of structure, that is syntax, how the words and word phrases and clauses are systematically related to each other in order to convey a particular meaning. So these are all are theoretical linguistics. While applied linguistics, coming to the applied linguistics is all about the study and the analysis of all educational theory and practice concerned with the instruction of language teaching. Okay, be it L1 or L2. So okay, so hence we can conclude by saying that language teaching is a collective term that is the scientific information about native speakers L1 or okay, L2 rather, native speaker L2, or B, it may be L1. I mean, if you are teaching, so this is a collective terms, and the nature of the language teaching is applied. Okay, since it is an dependent subject, it takes inputs from linguistics. आवाज आप लोगों को आ रही है मेरी? Am I audible to you people? Okay, okay, okay. So, I mean, we should look into the nature. I mean, what kind of nature, what is the nature of their connectivity? The relationship of language, okay, with that of linguistics. Coming to the nature of, okay, language, I mean, how linguistics guide language teaching or language pedagogy. Okay, so yeah, I mean, coming to the historical point, we can say that early in the years of Second World War, as okay, we know that the linguists were recognized as an important competent in the language teaching those days. I mean, during Second World War, America was in need to deploy their soldiers into different places. So to meet this need, a group of linguists like Bloomfield, you might have heard about Bloomfield. His famous book Language was published in 1930. Undertook this, I mean, this task to use the knowledge of linguistics to analyze the language to be taught. I mean, in which areas the soldiers were being deployed. Okay, so and the result proved to be very fruitful. Bloomfield suggested that the only effective teacher, I mean, it's the job of an effective teacher should be a trained linguist. So the only effective teacher should be a trained linguist. I mean, none other than a linguist can be an effective teacher. So the teacher must have the okay. The teachers must have the linguistic input or linguistic in order to help the student learn in a smooth way. Okay, so that's true because I know that the teacher often have an insufficient command of language until they are not an skilled or trained linguist. Okay, so it was Bloomfield who have suggested that the teacher must have the linguistic background. But okay, as a language teacher, we must have a good command. Okay, over the knowledge of linguistics is quite I mean okay clear. In the case we can teach as well. For example, in teaching of the pronunciation, as if I am teaching, I mean an Arab student. Suppose am I teaching an Arab student, and I don't know the I mean alphabets of Arabic language and the way these sounds are being produced. So okay, suppose there is a sound which is there in Urdu, though it is there in Urdu, but it is being pronounced in a different way here in Urdu context. Like for example, sa, which is there in summer. Summer means okay. Summer is an Arabic word meaning fruit. So sa, there is a sound sa, which is an interdental sound. When our tip of the tongue come in between, I mean upper and lower teeth. Okay, so the sound fa is being okay being produced. So unless we are not aware of these nonsense, how can we teach the student to do so? So be it the case of sound, that is phonetics, or be it a case of phonology, where we talk the functional aspect of a particular sound unit, or be it a case of morphology, where we discuss how the words are made up of various types of subparts. I mean, their subparts, or be it a case of syntax, where we discuss the structure of the sentence. I mean, in every field, we know the quite sufficient knowledge of linguistics in order to communicate effectively, or in order to teach effectively. Okay, so only a good, I mean, master of phonetics can. I'm quoting someone who is, I mean, has written on how linguistic guide language teaching or language pedagogy. So he is writing that only have a good master or phonetics can student learn word pronunciations well, so that the language teacher must adopt the phonetic speech sounds. The international, or you might have heard about the international phonetic alphabet. So international phonetic alphabet basically I mean, designed to take, or to grasp the technicality of sounds across the world, across the globe. So be it a case of fa sound, or be it a case of ka, which is pharyngeal sound, which is okay, totally different from that of ka. There is ka sound, as we in Indian people use, I mean, in every case, kalam. We used to tend to say kalam, because ka and ka here are being merged with the only one sound, that is ka. So ka become, I mean, okay. So how the sound ka will be produced? Ka will be produced. We can only, I mean, know this technicality when we are aware the, this this place of articulation, or the of articulations. Okay, so these were what the brief, I mean, a history of the language teaching. I mean, from where the theory was, language teaching was originated. So I was talking about the structural approach. This was the structural method, which was very prevalent in the 90, I mean, half of the 9th century. Okay, so I mean, this is a way of looking, looking as how linguistic is related to language teaching, and how it help language teacher to perform well, or to be an effective one. Okay, so there are and also so many thinkers and experts in applied linguistics. They are also of the opinion that a teacher must have a linguistic background. I am quoting Spit. I am quoting Pitt Quadro, 1973. He is of the opinion that the role of linguistics in language teaching is to provide the most detailed and comprehensive description of a language. And okay, second one is Wilkin, the famous writer in language teaching area. He's okay. According to Wilkins, the real contribution to linguistics is to increase one's understanding of natural language. Okay, so hence we can say that the linguistics provide important implication for the preparation of syllabi. Okay, and the teaching, okay, material programs, and the way we teach. I mean, what method should we adopt? So in the applied linguistics and in the area of language teaching, there have been so many methods and so many ways to teach language. So be it a case of GT method, which is known as translation method, or be it a case of structural method, okay, or be it a case of transformational method, or the very latest one which is going on is a communicative methods. So I mean the focus in each method has its own pros and cons. So it has its own merits and demerits. One should use the I mean take the goods point from each method. Okay. So no one can say or can claim that this is the best method which I am using, because I mean each of the method has its pros and cons. Okay, so we should take the good things from each other and employ them while teaching uh, uh, the students. Okay. Yeah, your first topic or the very first unit is linguistics and language teaching. So here, what you have to do is just define what linguistics is about and what is okay, language teaching. What is the nature of language teaching? I said linguistics is independent okay subjects, while the nature of language teaching is the applied one. It takes inputs from some other so, and how the linguistics help the in the realm of language teaching. You you can discuss the points that I just told you. I mean it makes a teacher well trained, skilled by giving him scientific informations about, be it about case of sound, be it a case of meaning, or we can say the sentence or word. So in this manner, linguistics help the teacher, okay, to make their students learn a language in an effective and efficient manner. So, and after that, okay, the second one is about native and foreign language. Okay, native and second language versus foreign language teaching. So it is. I mean, it was just a brief introduction about linguistics and language teaching. So we can also, I mean, discuss the scopes of language teaching, but the I mean topics are there beneath the very first one. So we will be, I mean, discussing these things later on, because these the skills, language teaching, principles of language teaching, these all are okay. Your A, B, C, and D topics. Yes. So I mean, till now, what I have discussed. If you have any query regarding that, okay, feel free to ask, because I don't know whether I mean you are getting me or getting my point clearly or not. So, was this clear to you or not? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Abdul Wahid. Have you, I mean, understood what I have discussed to you?
Inshallah.
Or no? You're not audible to me.
Inshallah. I'm understood, sir.
Okay, Abdul, I will be sending you, I mean, the required material, so you people can further, I mean, study and can make your own notes. So, and okay, what I will send, if you, I mean, find any, difficulty regarding that, you just ask me. You can ask me in any time you want. Okay, I will be sending you, and it's better to okay create a separate linguistic and language teaching WhatsApp group, so that we can share the required material. So who will take this task to create a separate WhatsApp group for linguistics and language teaching? Who is going to create? Hilal, can you hear me? Am I audible? Hilal, Mohammad Azim. Yes, sir, audible. Okay, audible. So मैं ये कह रहा था कि आप एक सेपरेट व्हाट्सएप एक तरह से वो बना ले ताकि हम अगर मेरे पास कोई चीज हो तो आई कैन शेयर यू पीपल व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बना ले आप एक सेपरेट ओके 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 सर ठीक है लाल ओके मी जस्ट मेक अ सेपरेट create a separate group and I will be okay sending you the material. Okay, so your next meeting I mean with me is on Monday, Tuesday. Wait, let me tell you my next meeting with you people. We have 3 meeting in a week. Okay, so the today I mean Tuesday we have a class at 12:35 and on Friday we have okay. On Friday we have one class, and yeah, tomorrow we have 2 class. I mean at 8:50 from 8:55 to 10:45. Okay. Yeah. So inshallah we will meet you tomorrow. Or okay, and I will send. Okay. Once the group is I will send you the material. Okay. See you then inshallah.
Okay, sir. Assalamu
Okay.
alaikum.
Knowledge.